Let's solve a vectors question from the JEE Advanced paper. And so it says if the magnitude of A is 2, the magnitude of B is 3, and the magnitude of 2A minus B is 5, then the magnitude of 2A plus B is what? And we've got a few options here. So let's use what we know and like try to solve for it. So what does this mean? It means that the square root of 2A minus B whole square. So it means that this quantity over here is equal to 5. Okay, and let's just square both sides so we can get rid of the square root. And what would that give us? Well, it's pretty simple. 2A minus B, so the square just goes away over here. Squared is equal to 25. So let's simplify this now. And I'm going to do the entire simplification. So, and remember, these are vectors. They don't have the thing on top, like the arrow thing, but these are all vectors. So we have 2A times A, so 2A times A. And these are vectors, so I'm just going to write them like this. And I'm just going to do it all like this, so vector b times b, and then we have minus for a times b like this. So this is the dot product is equal to 25. And now from properties of vectors we know that this is the same thing as, so 2a times a dot a, so the cross dot dot product of a and a is just the magnitude of a squared, and you can try to work that out on your own using the formula. And similarly we have this. Okay, and now pause the video and see if you can figure out what to do here yourself. Well, we know this and we know this, so if we actually write it, we get 16 plus 9 minus for a dot b is equal to 25. And when we solve for it, we see that this quantity is equal to 0. Okay, so this is 0. And so that becomes 25. You subtract it from both sides and then you simplify. What would this be? Well, this would actually end up being the exact same thing, but we have, instead of minus, we have plus. So actually, it'll be the exact same thing, because we're, instead of subtracting 0, we're adding 0, but the result is going to be the same, and that's the important thing. So the change that we're going to have is going to be 0, so it's going to be the same, and so the answer is C. And you can like plug this, you can do the entire thing again to check if you want, but that is the answer.